Hey everyone, May Review Team here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly exciting for creators, parents, teachers, and anyone who's ever dreamed of making their own storybook, but didn't know where to start. Before we start, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below. You'll find my detailed review article with all the product information, plus some exclusive KDP bonuses that come with it to help you grow even faster. Trust me, you definitely don't want to miss out on these. Now, we'll be exploring Ohanashi AI Gen, a next-level cloud-based app that turns your story ideas into beautifully illustrated and professional-quality books within minutes. The purpose of this video is to show you exactly what Ohanashi AI Gen is, how it works, and why it's becoming one of the most talked-about tools in the storytelling world. So if you've ever wanted to create children's books, educational stories, or just express your imagination, this one's definitely for you. What is Ohanashi AI Gen? Ohanashi AI Gen is a powerful cloud-based storytelling app that helps anyone, whether you're a writer, parent, teacher, or complete beginner, create professional storybooks effortlessly. You don't need any design or writing skills because the AI does all the heavy lifting. All you have to do is share a simple idea, and the system instantly transforms it into a 20 to 30-page illustrated storybook, complete with consistent characters and age-appropriate storytelling. One of its most impressive features is the smart illustration anchors, which ensure your characters look the same throughout the book. This gives your story a smooth and polished feel, like it came straight from a professional illustrator, and it doesn't stop there. The built-in book cover studio automatically designs a stunning cover for your story, saving you from having to use other tools or pay for extra design services. The best part? There are no complicated setups, no API keys, and no extra subscriptions. Everything runs smoothly online. No coding or prior experience is required. In this next part, I'll walk you through a live demo of Ohanashi AI Gen. You'll see exactly how simple it is to turn a short concept into a complete, beautifully illustrated storybook. We'll go step by step, from entering an idea, choosing the age group, and letting the AI generate the plot outline and page content, to watching the illustrations come to life and the cover being designed automatically. All right, let's jump right into the demo and see how fast and smooth this process is.
Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you the power of Ohanashi AI Generator. This is a complete storybook creator, publishing, marketing tool, traffic tool, the whole shebang. It creates products for you, both digital and physical that you can sell online. And there's a ton of things. It creates read-along audio and read-along video. Before that, I want to check out some keywords, the niches to target. I'm going to go after my presets here. I'm going to go to Storybook. I'm going to put in here subject, I don't know, lion, and audience, kids. And I'm going to click Build Steed Line Storybook for Kids. I'm going to click Fetch. If you want to get Kumu Amazon, I'll have this as an upgrade for Ohanashi AI Gen if you'd like. Okay, anyways, this is a tool I use to find niches. And now it's scoring, going about looking for different keywords along these lines to help me suss out any good markets that I can jump into. Okay, any second now this is going to stop scoring and it's going to give me these results. Okay, books about lions. Okay, cool, lion story for kids. This isn't so bad. Toddler book about lions. I want something more exact, something extra. Let me see here. The Lion and the Mouse. This is a classic book. I think it's public domain. Lion and Tiger story for kid. I like this. I'm going to take this. Audience low count. Cool. And age range. I'm going to use Ohanashi now, 3 to 5 years old. Plot line. Give me an idea. Lion and story for kids. Generate idea. So I don't have to create my own. A lion and a tiger build a red boat to cross a wide pond and share sweet fruit with friends. Okay, I'll use this idea. Cool. So, the AI it even gives you ideas. You don't have to put in any prompts whatsoever. Author name, Jane Taguchi. I can also have this create a name for me. children book illustration. We got some art styles, digital painting, cartoon, anime, kawaii. I'm gonna go with kawaii. Okay. And then I want some names, so suggest character names. Let's go with I'm gonna go with this one, Leo and Taiga. I'm gonna get rid of these other guys. Leo and Taiga, Leo the lion, and Taiga, the tiger. That makes sense. Okay. And preferred count, I'll let it go for 10 to 40 per page. Target 30 words. That's not bad at all. Let's go with let's go with preferred page count. I'm going to keep it at 0. Word count, automatic, manual, pictures every page. Variation, I'll keep it at 1. Okay. Auto generate book cover. I'm going to actually, yes, I want this, and include the title on cover. Well, yes. And I want this trim size, 8.5 by 8.5. Click generate story, and let's see what it creates. Let's go up top here. As you can see, the story is being generated. This takes a little bit, about 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video now and come back to you once it's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here we are. Our story is done, 8.5 by 8.5. We got a bunch of trim sizes here that we can change it to if we want. Okay, 8.5, 8.5, here's classic children's book. Page count of 4. Here we have the book cover. This is like a rough draft. Okay, but I want to go over the story here. Look at the page count. Leo the lion sees a wide pond. Taiga the tiger stands by his side. Let us go see our friend, said Leo with a big smile. And here we have these two characters, okay? And as you can see, the characters remain consistent. Let me go down the line. They're consistent. As you can see, they're still consistent, okay? It's really cool. Everything's consistent, okay? This is a really cool game changer. And the story also works as well. They join the wood with rope by hand. Leo pulls hard while Taiga ties tight knots. Is it strong now? Said Taiga with a grin. As you can see here, the story. The bright red boat rests by the pond. The water moves with small waves. Leo and Taiga smile at their fine work together. And yeah, the story just works perfectly. They push the boat into the pond. The ducks swim near as the boat moves. They reach green trees on the far side. Very good. And everything works together with the story. And now we have a several different types of ways to download this. We can do it. We can recreate the book title if we want. Sorry, the book cover if we want. We can work on it separately if we want. All kinds of things. But I want to go with the download section here. Okay, so download front cover, download back cover, download cover. Okay, I want to download the entire book. So I just have to go up here. Actually, I want to export story. I'm going to go to export story like that. And I want to keep it 8.5, 8.5. Trim sizes. I can change the name here if I want. Select character. Okay, we're going to go with this character here. And I can put my own website in here if I want. I can put in optional sentence at the top. For more fun educational towards the books, visit the QR code below. A QR code if you want. Okay, here's a copyright. Include chapter pages. I opt for no. When it comes to kids books, you want to keep it simple. No page numbers, by the way, for kids books. Okay, and font size 18, really good. You want to get it over 17, that's considered large print. Again, ideal for kids. Body fonts. Let me see here. Let's go with Verdana. Let's do it after page. Now check this out. export story. Open this new one up, and we got the title page. We got a little character there. We got our QR code if you want to add it there. We have our text. We can make this center, of course. And we got our first image, boom, text, boom. And that's how you build out a kid's book. Okay, really cool. Now, what I'm going to do with this book in the next video, oh, by the way, I can change it up to I can change it up to 6:9. This is perfect for Kindle. This is for digital products on Amazon. Okay, this is a great way to sell your physical book, is give away a digital copy of it with an audio. Okay, and then when they get that digital book on Kindle, they're going to want a physical copy. I know, because I have kids. This is what I do. Okay, so that's another thing we can do. Okay, with that. Yeah, in the next video, I'm going to show you the other possibilities with audio, with the book cover mock-up. This is for other platforms like Etsy. Video with audio, so you can get traffic via YouTube and YouTube Shorts, all that cool stuff. Okay, as you know, kids channels are really profitable and really popular. Like the biggest YouTube channels on earth, they're mostly the top 10. They're all kids channels, right? That makes sense. Anyways, I'm talking too much. I'll save it for the next video. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Be good.
Well, let's take a look at what real Ohanashi AI Gen users are saying about their experience. These aren't fake testimonials or scripted reviews like you sometimes see with other courses or software. These are genuine creators who've been using Ohanashi AI Gen to publish their own engaging children's storybooks online. And the results? They're impressive. Many users are already seeing their books live on Amazon KDP, reaching new readers, and even starting to earn real passive royalties, all from stories the AI helped them bring to life. It's amazing to see how people with zero design or writing background are now confidently publishing professional quality storybooks and actually getting paid for their creativity. Now that you've seen how Ohanashi AI Gen works, let's take a quick look at the funnel overview, so you know exactly what offers are available and can choose the one that fits you best. Let's start with the front-end offer, which is actually the main focus of today's video. Inside the main Ohanashi AI Gen package, you'll get everything you need to start creating, customizing, and publishing your own professional storybooks. You'll have InstaStory Machine that lets you instantly create complete stories from just one simple idea. Style Chooser to lock in your preferred tone and storytelling voice. Smart illustration anchors to keep your characters consistent across every single page. Quick edit mode to tweak any page instantly without redoing the whole book. Your own personal story vault with room for up to 50 projects. KDP-ready PDFs, so you can export your storybooks in just one click and publish them directly on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, and more. And many other powerful features you need to start creating, publishing, and earning from your books is right here in the front-end version. But of course, that's just the beginning. If you want to expand your creativity, unlock more features, and scale your results faster, Ohanashi AI Gen also comes with 3 powerful OTO upgrades. Let's go through them one by one. First up, we've got the Pro upgrade. And this one's all about maximizing your workflow so you can keep creating non-stop. With Smart Task Queuing, you can stack multiple story and illustration jobs while you keep working. No need to wait for one to finish before starting another. Then there's the Session Safety Net, which automatically saves and restores your progress, so no more losing hours of work due to sudden disconnects or errors. You'll also get multi-variation flow, giving you several art options per page, so you can quickly pick the perfect look for every scene. Plus, you can now build entire worlds with a 10-slot character library, export classroom-ready decks in PowerPoint or OpenOffice format, and even expand your personal story vault to store up to 100 projects. If you're serious about producing stories faster and more efficiently, this upgrade is a total game changer. Next up, we have the Elite upgrade, and this one's made for creators who want speed, quality, and marketing power. You'll get AI speed boost and advanced AI models, giving you richer stories and cleaner, more detailed illustrations faster than ever. The Unlimited Stories and Characters feature removes every creative limit, so you can keep building as much as you want without restrictions. It also includes the Elite AI Storybot, your personal brainstorming assistant that helps you come up with new ideas instantly. And when it's time to publish, the KDP listing wizard has your back. It generates SEO-optimized titles, keywords, descriptions, and even A-plus content to help your books rank higher and sell better. To top it off, you can make your creations shine with AI mock-ups and flipbook videos, design stunning covers using the Book Cover Studio Elite AI Edition, and even turn your stories into voice-narrated experiences using the brand-new AI audiobook Creator. This upgrade truly transforms Ohanashi AI Gen from a creative tool into a full publishing powerhouse. And finally, we have Kumo Amazo, the smart research upgrade that helps you create stories people are actually searching for. This one takes all the guesswork out of content planning. It's a KDP keyword and niche finder that uncovers buyer intent keywords, long-tail phrases, and hidden niche opportunities that most people completely miss. You can generate and cluster keyword ideas in seconds, identify profitable gaps in the market, and export everything for smooth content planning. No messy spreadsheets, no endless trial and error. Just clear, actionable data that helps your Ohanashi books rank higher, get noticed faster, and sell more consistently. All right, so that wraps up our Ohanashi AI Gen review, demo, and OTO breakdown. To sum it up, Ohanashi AI Gen is a complete, cloud-based story creation platform that lets anyone create, illustrate, and publish professional storybooks in just minutes. What really stands out for me is how fast and easy the whole process is. You simply start with an idea, and the AI transforms it into a fully illustrated, ready-to-publish book almost instantly. Then, you can start seeing passive royalties from your books. Don't forget to click the link in the description to check out my full Ohanashi AI Gen review. See how it works, the complete OTO details, and grab those exclusive bonuses I've prepared to help you grow faster. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts about Ohanashi AI Gen, and subscribe to the May Review team for more honest reviews and real demos every week. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helps you make the right decision about whether Ohanashi AI Gen is the tool you've been looking for. See you in the next one!